I bow to Lord Krishna, the son of Vasudeva, the one who killed the wicked Kans and Chanura, and who was the cause of Mother Devki's happiness, and he is the supreme teacher. Give blessings for today's prayer and every prayer that I offered to the person who actually changed our life and situation after coming into our life. When I lost my mother, Mohan had supported us then. Bless this Radha's Mohan with success, prosperity, peace and guidance. Protect him from all negativity. You are the God of this entire universe. But for me, Mohan is my God only. Because he is the reason why I met you. So please do a favor and unite me with my God.
She's already uncontrollable. After this, your daughter will break restrictions and run.
No, mother, that's not true. Just like as one can't dim the sunlight of a raging sun, similarly, Mohan is coming to Barsana after many years.
Father? Mohan is coming? I have been serving you for so many years. I did not just offer butter, I used to worship you. I used to serve you betel leaves and sweet buttermilk too. But I thought that you will never listen to my wishes. But I was wrong. You are so amazing. At last you brought my Mohan here. I was waiting for him for so many years. Let him just come once, so that I can just thank him when he comes. But now Mohan is coming. My Mohan is coming. He might not be aware that his sweet words and this holy Gita, which he gave to me that time, had just changed my life.
Are you missing your mother? Do you also feel like crying non-stop? I had gone through the same when my mother passed away. Then I started reading this Bhagavad Gita. Then I stopped crying. Do you know why? Because it is written in it that only the body dies, but the soul doesn't. That means your mother has not died. She is still alive. She is around you somewhere.
Really?
This has solutions to all the problems. Just like your friend who always helps you, always stays with you. Similarly, from today onwards, it will be your guide, a friend, and a teacher.
That day Gita became mine and he became my God too.
Whether you take a dip in the Yamuna or the Ganga, you have burnt and killed your wife. You are a murderer, a great sinner. You won't be able to wash off your sin so easily.
Hey priest, you wash off the sins of everyone, am I right? So why don't you tell me a way out?
One way is there.
Tell me quickly.
You have to perform a ritual to wash off the sin with proper protocol.
Okay.
It will cost you 51,000.
Okay, so how should I pay? In check or in cash?
Oh, take this.
Oh, this. Turn it this way. Okay, it's done.
1,02,000 rupees received.
Oh, sir, I only said 51,000 rupees. But you gave me double the amount.
Priest, according to you, the sin which I committed, I'm going to commit that again.
Oh,
The difference is that the victim will be you this time.
oh,
Get up.
oh,
Come.
you are manhandling a priest.
Come.
You will get a curse.
Come on, I will just beat you up.
Wow, this is good, Mohan. First you burnt our sister alive, and now you're going to kill this priest.
We will surely avenge our sister. Today it's an important day for you and your family, right?
But we will not let you reach there. The court cases will go on, but today we will give you punishment here.
Beat him up. Ah! You have burnt and killed your wife. You have burnt and killed your wife. You have been a murderer. You are a murderer. A great sinner.
You will pay for your sins.
Forget about my sin. But you have surely done something good that my mom called at this moment. Or else it would have been extremely bad for you.
Hello, sir.
In the bicycle that... Mom! Mom! Mom, your hand is bleeding. Ram Singh, call the doctor and bring the first aid.
Nothing
You
happened,
come inside and
Mohan.
sit.
I'm fine.
How can you be fine? Your hand is bleeding and you sit down.
Carefully. Look, your clothes will get stained. What are
Let
you
it, Mom.
doing? It's just a small cut,
It's not hurting,
Mohan.
is it?
No,
Is it really small cut?
but
Ram Singh, quick.
I am fine,
What
Mohan.
fine, Mom? You always do something childish. Tell me, what was the need to touch the nail? Tell. I will now solve this problem of holy thread once and for all.
No, Mohan. Just listen to me. You will not tear the thread if you love your mother. Mohan, that holy thread saves a family from evil eyes.
Really? Mom, according to everyone, they should be scared of me. As if I am the evil.
Not at all.
What?
You are not evil. You are the world's best son. Now come on, don't spoil your mood today. Today is a very special and important day to me.
Mom, do you really think we should do this?
Should we? Of course we must do it.
I don't want to do this. I'm not sure.
You have faith in your mother, right? You don't have any respect for your mother's faith?
What are you saying?
Then go and quickly get ready. And keep this in mind, my dear son is the world's most handsome man. Come on, come on. Come on.
Careful with your hand.
Yes, just go. I will take care. Go. Hey Lord Krishna, protect my son from every evil eye and problems of the world. His past should not affect his present.
You burnt your wife and killed her. You are a murderer.
First, you murdered our sister. You look decent, but your deeds are evil.
You know what the limit of love is, right? Hatred. And the limit of hatred is me. I shiver every time I remember your face or hear about you. You died in the fire. But you left me alive to burn for a lifetime. Well, one complains to their own all the time, right? But neither you are mine, nor I am yours. Neither you survived, nor did our relationship. So let's break the last memory of this relationship. Let's break the last thread of this relationship.
Radha. Hey, Radha. Our beloved, our darling princess. Come over here.
What happened, Grandma? Everything is fine, right?
Why can't I say sweet words to my sweet granddaughter?
I don't fear your beatings, but I do fear your sweet words.
Hey, the thing is, we lost in front of your faith. Mohan is coming after 8 years,
No!
right?
7 years, 8 months, and 14 days. And now, after 45 minutes.
Yes, exactly, dear. He's coming after so many years. Won't you cook anything for him?
Oh no! I just forgot. What should I cook? Halwa. No,
yes,
no, no.
yes.
Halwa puri.
Yes, that's fine.
No, no. Pudding. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. All right. Put some dry fruits and make a delicious pudding. Come on, go quickly. Now Radha can never meet Mohan.
Mother, why aren't you understanding? If Radha can't meet Mohan, then she is going to be sad.
Let her be sad today, or else she will be sad forever. For the children's well-being, the elders have to be strict sometimes.
But Mother, Radha's love and affection for Mohan is just her devotion and nothing else.
The father is as innocent as the girl. Even she will not understand when this devotion will turn into love.
Oh Lord, we are going to do something auspicious. I hope there are no obstacles.
Oh, mother-in-law! Oh my gosh, always on time, before everybody. And yes, you know your daughter. I have broken her record also.
Which record?
Of coming late. Look there, look.
I would have been late if I had slept at all last night. I swear, mother, there was so much tension that I couldn't sleep at all.
Tension about what?
Shall we? Is everything ready, huh?
Are you ready?
Why?
At least you shouldn't have drunk today. You are his father,
And you?
mother.
Stepmother. I am his own father. Don't try and teach me.
Mr. Trivedi, even after being my stepmother, she's mine. But being my own father, you can't. Don't forget your limits as a husband. Or else I have to fulfill the duty of being a son.
Father-in-law, let's go. We are getting late.
Let's go. I am fine.
I have really not drunk today.
Ma'am, you called me?
Dulari, we are leaving. Take care of the house. And especially look after the holy thread.
Yes, ma'am. You don't have to worry. There will be no problem as long as I am here.
Keep that in mind.
Yes. Bye, ma'am. Father? Grandma?
My beloved, my dear princess. Mohan is coming after 8 years, right? So won't you cook anything for him?
Grandma, you locked me in the kitchen in the name of Kheer. Open the door, Grandma, or else how will I meet Mohan? Ah! Fear it, but overcome it. Fear it, but overcome it. Fear it, but overcome it. Hey, Lord Krishna. Oh, Lord Krishna. Mohan? Kheer! I forgot the kheer inside. Grandma is right. Radha is foolish. I can go through the door now. Mohan is here.
Look, finally our chief guest has arrived, whom we were awaiting eagerly. You are looking gorgeous, dear Damini.
Kadambari! Kadambari! You're my little sister.
but your actions are always like a bigger one. What else is there in the life of this sorrowful widow? Everything is joyless. But Kadambari, by accepting my daughter, you brought me all the joys. And Mohan, oh my child, you are Goddess Yamuna's blessing for me. You are the honor of this Vrindavan, my dear child. To be frank, you are the moon of this widow's sky-high dreams.
Sister,
Huh? I was a little overwhelmed. Namaste.
Stay blessed. Stay
God's
blessed.
grace.
You know what people say about me, right? Are you sure you're okay with it?
I listen to my heart, not to people. My heart can never make the wrong decision for me.
priest, let us start the engagement ritual.
Actually, she made pudding because you all were coming here. Forgive us, but the pudding fell down.
It's okay. The spilling of milk is a good sign.
Why is Mohan's face sad on such a good occasion?
Amazing.
Smile on his lips, but sadness in his eyes. What are you hiding, Mohan?
Be happy, both of you. Stay blessed.
Be happy.
What happened now? After seeing Mohan getting engaged, did Radha's devotion vanish? And why are you crying?
These are the tears of joy.
At the age of 20, it can't be tears of joy. Instead, they are tears of love and separation. You are very sad seeing Mohan with someone else, right? This is called love.
If you think devotion is love, then it's your mistake. I'm just happy.
Radha, I am explaining something to you. Try to understand, please. Lord Krishna had got his Rukmani, but it was Radha who was left alone. Mohan has found his happiness.
Mohan is not happy.
What?
He is not happy at all. I have to talk to him.
Radha, where are you going? Stop!
Tulsi! 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 If you step out of this house today,
So? You're saying our relation will end? You are wrong, Mohan. Our relation ended a long time ago. You can choose to ignore this truth if you want to. But I cannot tolerate living like this. Help! Help! Is anyone there? Mohan! Ah!
let's go.
Mohan!
Come with me. I have made malpua for you.
Will you eat with me?
Hmm?
Take care of the house and especially look after the holy thread.
Dulari, why are you wasting your time with that?
Shut up! My boss clearly told me that This sacred thread shouldn't break. If she finds out about this, she won't spare me.
I just wanted to meet Mohan once. I just wanted to know why he was sad. He was getting engaged, then why he was not happy?
You are sure Mohan was not happy? Many men in Barsana have a hard time getting married once. He's getting married the second time. Then why is he sad?
He was sad. He had tears in his eyes. I have to do something.
What can you do? You won't get anything out of it. You'll be heartbroken at the end of this.
Lord Krishna gave a message in the Bhagavad Gita. A man should do his duty without expecting the reward. It means, oh friend, just do your work and don't expect any benefit.
Stop racking your brain so much. Take this ointment. Apply it. Else you will be in pain the whole night. I'll be back with some turmeric milk for you.
My beloved has returned. Thank God. Oh my gosh! This photo? Who turned the picture around? If my boss sees this, he'll bury me alive. Oh my gosh!
The engagement ceremony was a small function, but the wedding will be a grand affair.
You're right, Kaddu. I mean Kadambari. Even otherwise, everyone in Vrindavan must come to know that Kadambari's son is getting married. Isn't that right? Isn't that right?
Damini, we will call designers from Mumbai and Delhi. You are marrying into the Trivedi family after all. We will not cut corners in any area. Everything should be just extravagant.
Yes, Aunt.
Damini?
Sorry. Yes, Mother.
Very good. And you? You also tell us? What will you wear? Sherwani or a suit? I'll suggest you wear both of them. A sherwani for the wedding and a suit for reception.
Ma'am, even I want a new sari. A pink Banarsi silk sari.
Not just one, buy 3 of them. Okay?
And for me? Nothing. I don't want anything. You have given everything to this widow even without asking her. You have given me and my daughter a roof over our heads. And now my daughter will live like a queen in this house. I mean to say, daughter-in-law.
Ketki, you can tell as well. What do you want? Dress or jewelry? Don't complain later that you didn't get any gift for your brother's wedding.
In my opinion, this wedding is a bad idea.
Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything.
Mom, you please don't control your excitement. But I need to do something.
What?
I want to talk to Damini.
Of course. Who am I to stop you from having a conversation?
That's what. Go, dear, go. They both are looking so good together. I'm really very happy today.
The last time Mohan came here, there was enough drama. Now you want to go to his place. This is worse than shooting oneself in the leg. Just try to understand what I'm saying.
Now listen to me carefully. Now Vishwanath had insisted that we go to his place. So it will be rude to refuse. And not just me. He has invited all 3 of us a week in advance. And I am supposed to conduct all the rituals for the wedding.
Is there a shortage of priests here? No, you should refuse. We won't go there. She's already crazy about him. If we take her to his house, she won't come back again. She will stay over there.
So how will you stop her, Mom? Will you tie her up with a chain?
Not with a chain. But we can bind her with something else.
What is it?
A promise.
A promise?
Oh no, I hope she didn't overhear me.
Sit. Damini, I know that you have waited for this marriage to happen for the last 8 years.
Not 8 years, 12 years.
Means?
I have waited for our marriage for the last 12 years, Mohan. For me, our relationship has always been more than friendship. But when you chose Tulsi over me in the college, I decided to be happy for you, Mohan. But now, destiny wants to give me another chance. I would have been happier if the circumstances would have been different.
Damini, you have given me your support at every point in life. At times as a friend and at times as a business associate. But now we have decided to give our relationship a new start. But before I make this fresh start, I need to take care of some old unfinished business. I have 2 conditions before the marriage, Damini.
What?
There are few allegations that I killed Tulsi. I don't want you to be affected by them as well. That is why we will marry only after I acquitted by the court.
These tantrums of yours might work before everyone else. But if you try to do this ever again, then...
Tulsi can do anything. Anything.
What did you do? You interrupted the ritual.
What will you do? Will you hit me? Or else will you kill me?
I won't be defeated by that Tulsi again. I will defeat her. And the one to leave this house will be her.